Hello. Let's suppose a person want to go one place to another, but not directly. First he plays one place, then another with third. Then he want to reach his by traveling these places. Then he want to reach his final destination. Let's suppose it is a fifth place. There he want to go, but there is no direct train. There may be no train to the actual destination, but there is a station nearby where we can reach. So our application is all about multi-hop trains finder of multiple stop from where he want to its destination. Let's suppose user want to go from his location. I write let's suppose user want to this place by traveling this and this places. Then he want to reaches this place. Then we search the train. Behind the scene, we use Indian Railway data set open source that provided by data.gov.in Indian government site. Then processing, we find our destination trains in multi-hop way to pass over these two stops. Then we get these stations. If we follow this station, then we goes, then we reaches our destination. Let's suppose Mandwadi is near Kashi, Varanasi. We can show in map the first station is from Bengaluru, then Somnath, then lastly Mandwadi, Varanasi. We can also option to one station to this Varhal last station. We can change this and see another way to reach this Bengaluru to Varhal. Similarly for others, and we finally reach our nearest station of Varanasi, Mandwadi.